What's up, Lake of the Ozarks? It's your guy, Will Holtz with Lake TV, back on the water for another LOZ featured dock presented by our good friends at Kwik Dock Cleaning. Today, we're over at Porta Chima with Scott and Michelle Miller to feature their brand new dock right here at the 15-mile marker.
Maximize your lake time with Kwik Dock Cleaning. Find out more at kwikcarmo.com.
And we're here at the 15-mile marker, as I said, with our friend Scott Miller, who's been gracious enough to welcome us to this beautiful dock. Scott, you got your wife and some friends, so introduce us to everybody you got here.
It's my wife, Michelle. This is our friends, Bill and Susan McNeil from Lee Summit.
What's up, Bill and Susan?
They have a house here at the 12-mile marker also.
You guys all sipping on a cold one, enjoying one of your favorite activities here on a beautiful day at the lake.
Yes.
Before we dig in, a little bit about your lake history, your lake story, and how you came to Lake of the Ozarks.
We bought our first house in 2008 at the 8-mile marker, or excuse me, 10-mile marker. And then we bought our second house in 2016 at the 10-mile marker. And then we've been here a year, so at the 15.
Who built this and why you chose to go with this particular custom style?
Oh, John and Jordan at Rough Water, this is our third dock they've built for us. They've been pretty good to us, and they got some really nice features, and we just like their docks. So.
Yeah, and on rough water, hence the name, of course, on the Lake of the Ozarks. It's so important, and you've got a lot going on here as far as we see the beautiful boat, the table, plenty of area for activities. So just walk us through all of the different features and what you guys use your dock for.
Well, Michelle and I have been about everywhere on the lake by boat, and since we've got a really awesome view now, we like to have friends over, and we sit down here a lot, and we're taking adult beverages, so.
You guys have like crazy parties in this cove with all these beautiful homes and people?
Well, I don't know if they're crazy, but we do get a little loud for old people.
A tri-tune's the way to go when you want to get out in the water with people. So tell me about this beauty you've got here.
Well, we got this last year. John Odom ran it in the shootout in 2021, or excuse me, 2020. And we was wanting a new tri-tune, and with the COVID deal and everything, you couldn't get one right away, and they had this one, and so, but this is our 5th tri-tune, I believe. We think it's an all-around right boat for the lake.
So this has been in the shootout, so obviously some serious power. How fast you got it?
We've only had it about 60.
60.
John I think he got first place in the shootout at 81.
So you have any aspirations to beat that record of 81?
I do not.
Okay, well I want to ask.
Not with my wife on anyway.
Well, she doesn't, Michelle, he can go, you don't mind, right?
No, I don't mind.
I think you're trying to pass the buck.
Thank you.
No, she's giving you her blessing. You want us to get up to 65, 70, 75, maybe even beat the 81, right?
Yes.
You're running in the shootout this year.
She's changed.
Yeah, she's changed just like that. All right, so before we wrap this up, I heard some rumors that there's this angry dock guy, and there's a t-shirt, and that you have a whole routine and kind of keep everybody under control in this cove. You gotta tell me what's going on with this.
Well, it would be nice if people would stay the 100 feet away from a dock, but.
How often is it that doesn't happen in this cove?
3 or 4 times a day.
And if one were to be watching Scott on his dock and that were to happen, what would you then do? Can you show us?
No.
Can you bring out the angry dock guy?
No. I'm not gonna do that.
You're not gonna do that?
No, they don't want to see that.
Well, maybe when we turn the cameras off, we're not gonna turn the cameras off. Just hang tight, it's coming. We wanna get one take of the angry dock guy. Michelle, can we have your blessing? Yeah. See, look, you have no restrictions now. Just one thing, let's say one of these boats came through like this guy just a second ago did so inconsiderately. What would you say to him?
Shut it down!
Yeah, just give him a little, So, what is that, to shut it down, is what you said?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna try to reach and get my angry dock guy. So we're gonna shut it down when he... Shut it down! Come on!
You're gonna have to get a little deeper voice.
Oh, yeah. I'll have to wait a second. Yeah, probably a little more hair on my chest. Odd or even, I lose every time, okay?
Bill will show you that one later.
It's too late, I already lost. Well, hey, Scott, thank you so much for welcoming us
Thank you.
to your dock right here on the 15-mile marker at Porta Chima. For Scott Miller, I'm William Holtz with Lake TV, and that's a wrap for this edition of the LOZ Featured Dock Series presented by Kwik Car Dock Cleaning. You want to do any other bites or sound takes?
You guys are ready for another beer, ain't you?